Good morning, students. Welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Today we are going to solve the rest of the questions of exercise 2.3. So let's start with question number 5. Question number 5 of exercise 2.3 is Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3/4 meters. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. It means Sally planted a 4 sapling. 4 sapling means 4 small plants in a line in her garden. Distance between the two saplings is 3/4 meter. You have to find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Students, look at this picture carefully. These are the saplings grown in a row in the garden of Sally. This is first plant, this is second plant, this is third and this is fourth. Distance between the two sapling is 3/4 meter. So you have to find the distance between first sapling and the last sapling that you have to find. Now let's solve question number 5 of exercise 2.3. Total number of saplings in a row, that is equal to 4. How many saplings in a row? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 saplings in a row. Distance between two consecutive saplings, that is equal to 3/4 meter. Distance between two consecutive sapling, that is 3/4 meter. Now, distance between first and last sapling, that is equal to 3/4 meter plus 3/4 meter plus 3/4 meter. So, we will write 3/4 meter plus 3/4 meter plus 3/4 meter. Now, we will take 4 as a denominator under the fraction line, and above the fraction line 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is equal to 9/4 meter. Now this 9/4 meter is a improper fraction. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing 9 by 4. So we will divide 9 by 4. 4 2s are 8. Our remainder is 1. We will move these numbers anti-clockwise and our mixed number will be 2 integer 1/4 meter. So we can say that the distance between first and last sapling is 2 integer 1/4 meter. Sixth question of exercise 2.3 is Lipika reads a book for 1 integer 3/4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? It means in one day, Lipika reads book for 1 integer 3/4 hours. You have to calculate how many hours will Lipika take to read the book in 6 days. That you have to calculate. Now let's solve question number 6 of exercise 2.3. Reading time per day by Lipika, that is equal to 1 integer 3/4 hours. That is given in the question. Total days taken to read books, that is equal to 6 days. Now students, we have to calculate total time taken by Lipika to read the book in 6 days. That we have to calculate. That is equal to 1 integer 3/4 multiplied by 6. This 1 integer 3/4 is the total time taken by Lipika per day into 6. 6 means 6 days that we have to calculate. So, first we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For that we will multiply 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7/4 multiplied by 6/1. Now according to the formula, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So 7 into 6 upon 4 into 1. Now 7 into 6 upon 4 into 1. 4, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. We will cut this 6 and 4 by 2. Now our question will be 7 into 3 upon 2. 7 3s are 21 upon 2. This is improper fraction. We will convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. That will be 10 integer 1 upon 2 hours. So we can say that total time taken by Lipika to read book is equal to 10 integer 1 upon 2 hours. Now let's solve question number 7 of exercise 2.3. Question number 7 is a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 upon 4 liters of petrol? It means in 1 liter of petrol, car runs 16 km. Now you have to calculate that in 2 integer 3 upon 4 liters of petrol, what distance did car cover? That you have to calculate. Let's solve question number 7 of exercise 2.3. In 1 liter of petrol, car runs 16 km. Therefore, in 2 integer 3 upon 4 liters of petrol, car will run how much kilometer? That we have to calculate. That is equal to 16 into 2 integer 3 upon 4. This is a mixed fraction and we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 that is equal to 11 upon 4, that is 16 into 11 upon 4. Now 16 upon 1 into 11 upon 4. We will cut this 4 and 16 by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. Again we will cut this 8 and 2 by 2. That is 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Now our numbers will be 4 into 11 upon 4 into 11 upon 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 into 1 means 1. So 4 into 11. 4 into 11 that is equal to 44 kilometer. So we can say that in 2 integer 3 upon 4 liters car will run 44 kilometer, and that is the answer of question number 7 of exercise 2.3. Now question number 8 of exercise 2.3. A. First part. Provide the number in the box. This is the box such that 2 into what? That is equal to 10 upon 30. First part of A question number 8. Such that 2 upon 3 is multiplied by what? So that we will get 10 upon 30. Solution is 2 upon 3 is multiplied by 5 upon 10 and we will get 10 upon 30, because 2 into 5 that is equal to 10 and 3 into 10 that is equal to 30. So in this box 5 upon 10 will come. Now we have to convert this 10 upon 30 into simplest form. The simplest form of the number obtained in the box is 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So the simplest form is 1 upon 3. So in this box 1 upon 3 will come. Now students, B part of question number 8, that you have to do it yourself. That is your homework. So students, this is the end of exercise 2.3. In the next video, we will start exercise 2.4.